Hi friend, today I have showed you the one critical problem inside the engine. This is a V-type model engine, and please you tell me what is the actual problem on this engine. Once one left behind side is given the heavy white smoke, and one side is the given the black smoke, and sometimes some flame has been come out from the exhaust side. So you please confirm what is the actual problem in the engine, and we have shown you the live video of the same. Till then, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification when we have upload any new video on this channel. So notification of the same will be received by you. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends, colleagues and technicians for taking the knowledge of the problem, which types of the problem in this engine. Please tell me.